To use schedules, you'll first need to be in the admin side of the Morpheum platform. Once here, click on the Schedules tab to open up your Schedules section. Click on the plus to add a new schedule and give your schedule a name. To add a new schedule item, click on the plus here and give your schedule item a name. You have three different kinds of recurrences. A weekly recurrence for things like a typical working week, a yearly schedule for things like Christmas holidays, and a schedule that only happens once for things like bank holidays. For this example, we'll use a weekly schedule. Select the days that you want your schedule to run on, or for simple use, click on the Weekdays tab to select your normal workday week. Select the times where you want your schedule to be running. We'll select between 9 and 5 o'clock, and then click on the tick here to add your schedule. Once your schedule item has been added, click on the Save button in the top right corner to save your schedule.